We're with Caroline Taylor. She's a personal injury attorney in Nashville, and she's agreed to answer some online questions. This question was specifically related on how much it costs to hire a personal injury attorney. This question was from Dennis. Dennis asks, I was recently in a car accident on my way to work. A semi-truck ran a stoplight and slammed into the side of my car. I now have a broken leg and can't return to work. I want to file a lawsuit to help pay for my lost wages, but I'm worried I can't afford it. How much does it cost to hire a personal injury attorney?
Great question, Dennis, and thank you so much for writing in. So the majority of personal injury attorneys take cases on what's called a contingency fee basis. This means that they take a percentage of any recovery that you get. If you don't get a recovery, then you don't owe any money. You don't pay for their services on an hourly basis or anything like that. You only pay, the attorney only gets a fee if they get a recovery for you. Now that percentage can range. It can range anywhere from about 25% to up to 40%, depending on the difficulty of the case. You know, some cases require a lot of hours and a lot of time and a lot of skill. Those are going to be a higher percentage. Some are easier cases. Those are going to be a lower percentage. On top of that, there are also case expenses that you can expect along the way. There's filing fees, there's expert fees, there's travel fees, things like that you can expect to incur. Now, most attorneys will pay those on the front end. They'll pay for all the expenses out of their pocket, so you don't pay anything. You know, there's no money coming out of your pocket. If they win your case for you, then they get their attorney's fees and they also get those expenses back. If you end up not getting any sort of recovery, you know, if the attorney is not successful for you, then they eat those expenses. You do not have to pay those expenses back. So it's really no risk to you, and it's no money out of pocket. It's a percentage, and if they win for you, then they get back their expenses, and you also pay them the percentage fee that's agreed upon in a written retainer agreement that you would know on the front end and sign before your case even got started. So.
Excellent. Well, if you have any other questions for Caroline, all you need to do is post them in the comments section below. She's agreed to answer any of your questions, so feel free to post them. Thanks for your time.
Absolutely. Thank you.